So, whilst in Ireland, do as the Irish do.
We will do.
You are Irish, so you're going to do as you do anyway.
Yeah.
I'm just going to be cameraman today. You might hear me speaking a bit in the background, but the picture's going to be on Mazzy, because Mazzy is doing what?
Traditional Irish meal, bacon and cabbage. Simple,
Bacon
but we
and
love it.
Cabbage. Well,
Yeah.
You've never met me yet.
No, I meant me as a family. Yeah.
I adore it. I've only ever had it made once for me, and it was by an Irish woman. She was the landlady in the pub, and she made it for St. Patrick's Day, a big tub of it for us all. So I'll turn the camera around, over to you, Mazzy. Explain what ingredients you need to make bacon and cabbage.
Yeah.
Irish version.
So it's so simple, right? Now, everyone might have their own way of doing this, but this is just your typical Irish way of doing it. You got your gammon joint, usually smoked, but that's a preference. Bit of Savoy cabbage, onion, carrots and spuds, and some stock cubes. These aren't necessary, but I like those.
So it's very, very basic, isn't it?
Yes. But
I was wondering if you'd have cream in there or something.
no, this is like just a healthy, hearty Irish meal full of goodness.
Okay, I'm getting excited, I am. I'll be honest.
But I gotta say, this is gonna take me to probably double the time because we've only actually got one saucepan.
Yeah.
And it's really not because I left them. You see?
Yeah, you meant to take it out of packaging though, Mazzy.
I know.
That'll save a bit of room. Take it out of packaging and there'll be more room outside.
So my point is, I'm going to have to cook that. Ideally, guys, if you're at home, pressure cooker it, but do it all in one pot. This is like a one-pot meal. So, yeah.
Well, it is a one-pot meal because we've only got one pot, Mazzy.
Yeah, but I'm going to have to cook this first and then all this separate in the meat juices because...
So this video could take quite a long time to make then.
You're not going to be eating till tonight.
I told you, we should have just got one of them doner kebabs you put in microwave for 1 minute.
Stop.
So fresh water in the pan. Can we just show them what meat we have got?
Yes, it's a gammon joint, guys.
Gammon joint, smoked.
Yeah.
So this is just over 1 kilogram for £2.95, and look at it, no fat on it whatsoever.
No, it's a good cheap meal, guys. Honestly, and then your leftovers when you got it cooked, you got sandwiches for a couple of days. It's well nice.
That is the best gammon I've ever seen. It really is, and the I just can't get over it. £2.95 for all that.
Yeah.
Don't you need to cut it up?
No, we're going to cook the lot. But you don't need to add... I might rinse that, sorry, actually. But you don't need to add salt because that's smoked.
Yeah, well...
Literally just boil that maybe an hour and a half and we'll see.
An hour and a half?
Maybe an hour.
An
hour?
hour?
And a half. Hour!
So since I was here last, Mazzy, all them carrots and potatoes and things have all looked different. What's happened there then?
They've all just been rinsed, chopped, skinned. I forgot to add me stock cubes, so that's in there. And literally just cut me cabbage up. I forgot what it was.
Go on, get cutting your cabbage, Mazzy. I'll film a bit of this.
And then it's going to be, that's it really. I love cabbage. You like cabbage,
yeah, but them pieces are a bit big for me.
No, I'm going to cut them down.
Yeah, Savoy cabbage, is it?
Savoy, yeah. I like
crinkly
Savoy.
cabbage. I love crinkly cabbage. You can't beat crinkly cabbage with a bit of gravy and maybe some horseradish or something.
Oh, well, we haven't got none of that because I asked you when we were in the supermarket and you said no.
Okay, so what you've got to do is throw 30% of it away.
No, this is your hardcore, the heart of it. It's just that's
the best
no
bit.
good.
Never mind, go on.
It's fine. It's all going to come. I still don't know how I'm going to get all this into the one pot once I've got the meat out. I'm a little bit scared.
Maybe do some in frying pan.
Well, do you know what? When you say that, because this is literally all our cutlery set now, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if I can do something in this.
I don't see why not. Just put water in it and let it boil, bubble some veg in it or
I
something.
could probably do the cabbage in it, couldn't I? Well, try it. You know.
But then it's not a one-pot dish, is it?
No.
One pot, one pan dish.
One pot. We'll stick with one pot.
Okay. I know people have said it in the past, Mazzy. Smelly vision. We wish there was smelly vision. They've been mentioning that for decades. When's someone going to invent smell-o-vision? We need smell-o-vision, Mazzy, because that smells absolutely amazing.
Don't it? For something so simple.
I know. It isn't even on the heat yet, but it smells beautiful. It really does. So while this is taking quite a long time to boil and do whatever it's doing, I just want to ask people, we're heading now towards Downpatrick, where I think it's called Downpatrick, where St Patrick is buried, and then on towards Belfast very slowly. So if there's anyone out there, if you know of any local dishes in that area, please let us know in the comments, because we want to try everything we can while we're in the area. We do want to know all of Ireland, but let's just concentrate on that bit for now. So if you can tell us, you know, you might know specific shops where we should go and try a pie or something or whatever. Let us know in the comments, please. Thank you very much. How long is it going to be, Mazzy?
Ages.
Ages.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be worth waiting for, though, because it smells... the smell is the best smell I've had in Ireland. How are we doing in the kitchen, Mazzy?
Yeah, not too bad. So this is had an hour and a half. I think we should take this out now and try and squash all that into there. That's going to be a challenge, honey. It's going to be a bit like Tetris.
Tetris?
Yeah. So let's get this out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're going to keep all those meat juices because that'll make, you know, good stock. Oh, this is going to be such a challenge. Let me just wrap the meat up. Keep that nice and warm. Right, let's see how we get on. I'm a bit nervous about this bit, babe. I'll be honest.
Slap it in.
Actually, it's not looking too bad. It looks a bit scuddy there, but that's just scud off the meat. That's just, it's flavour.
I don't mind scud.
Yeah, this could work. Right, we've got to squash all this in.
Good luck. There's no way that's going in there, Mazzy.
Oh, it is.
No way that is going to fit in there.
But you've got to remember, this is all going to break down.
When's it going to break down? It needs to break down now, Mazzy, because it don't fit in pan.
It's fine.
Okay, I'll trust you. I'll trust you. You do realise I am the one testing this, don't you?
Yeah. I just leave this on the boil once boiled for about, I don't know, 20 minutes.
20
so
minutes.
you're going to get fed in 20 minutes.
Fantastic.
Oh, doesn't it smell good?
It does. How long now, Mazzy?
10 minutes.
10 more minutes and then I can eat.
Yeah.
Now, my mum gave us these plates, didn't she?
She did, yeah.
Can we come to an agreement?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not having the fish one.
No, I didn't want the fish
That's going to
one.
put me off every single meal.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to look at that. I'll have starfish. I like starfish.
I don't want the fish one.
No wonder she gave us them. Looking good, Mazzy.
It's so juicy, look. It's good.
That looks perfect. You know what? I might not have cabbage and bacon. I'll just have some of that in a sandwich, I think.
Hey, cheeky.
So it's all ready now, you're just dishing up?
I am, yes.
No, I've never had it like this before, Mazzy, I'll be honest.
Like what?
When I had it last time, it was just like in a big stew pot, and it was all mixed, the meat was all in little bits.
Yeah, but yeah. If you did it in a pressure cooker, it comes out all crumbly and delicious.
Mm-hmm. I suppose it's the same thing inside though, isn't it?
Yeah. Looking good?
Looking very good. Can we finally eat now?
Well, hold on. This is the best bit of the meal.
What's that?
You pour the juices of the everything that you've cooked it in on top. Oh, it's so good. You're going to enjoy it.
Yeah, I certainly am. Can I have
There we
some
go.
brown sauce with it?
No, you don't have brown sauce.
Right, Mazzy, shall we taste test this?
Let's taste it.
To be honest, I'm the taste tester because you made it. You're bound to say it's nice. I'll tell you the truth, people.
Try the meat.
Wow. That is amazing.
Really?
That is amazing. I'll tell you what makes it so the best. The pepper.
Juice. The pepper.
I put some pepper on it. It's made it really nice taste of pepper. No, that is beautiful.
It's full of flavour, isn't it?
It is. If you want to try a proper Irish traditional meal, make that. As I say, I've not seen it like this before, so don't be saying in the comments, that ain't a proper tradition, that ain't how it looks. There's different versions. Okay.
And this is the best we could do in our motorhome today with one small saucepan.
One pan.
Yeah.
One pan meal. hope you enjoyed that one. Something a little bit different. We'll try and do some more of them if we ever know what else Irish people eat.
I might do soda bread one day. I can make soda bread.
Soda bread, that'd be good.
Yeah.
What else would you like to see Mazzy make?
Potato cakes.
Let
I can
us
do
know.
Irish potato cakes. Yeah.
Let us know in the comments, people. Right, we'll leave you with that.
Yes.
So thanks for joining, people.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See you on the next video. Have a good evening. Night-night.
Night-night. So I'm guessing you're giving up the New Year's resolution.
What's that then?
No vegetables.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I did say more meat. I'm alright for meat.
Yeah. Enjoy.
I will.
Thanks for watching. Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.